crucial pretrial hearing is set for today in the Luigi Mangione case.
His attorneys are looking to keep prosecutors from using evidence they say links him to the shooting death of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Aziza Schuler joins us live from outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan this morning. Aziza?
Good morning. So as we know, this has become a high-profile case. There are protesters who've been lined up outside of the courthouse, some say since Saturday, waiting for this morning's hearing. Now, today's hearing is expected to focus on the defense's claim that police violated Mangione's right during his arrest and argue that key evidence should be thrown out.
Mangione's defense attorneys argue that several statements Mangione made to law enforcement should be suppressed because officers failed to give him Miranda warnings, the required notice informing a suspect of their constitutional right to remain silent and to have an attorney. The defense is also challenging the physical evidence collected during Mangione's arrest at a McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania. They say police conducted a warrantless search of his backpack, even though Mangione was already handcuffed, detained, and surrounded by officers. Inside that backpack, police say they recovered a 9mm handgun with 3D printed receiver, ammo, a red notebook he allegedly used as a diary. One of the entries reads in part, "The target is insurance. It checks every box." There was also a note to the FBI that reads in part, "Frankly, these parasites had it coming."
The prosecution argues that there was good reason to search the bag immediately because they had to find out if there was anything dangerous in the bag. If you've just arrested somebody who you think has shot a man in the back in the middle of the street, you might be worried about what else is in that bag. And indeed, there was a weapon in that bag. So I think the prosecution has the stronger argument here.
Mangione's defense team also wants to block prosecutors from using his notebook entries and other writings at these hearings because they say making those documents public now would unfairly prejudice Mangione if potential jurors see or hear about them. The defense is further pushing to keep out non-eyewitness identification testimony, meaning they don't want anyone who didn't actually witness the crime identifying Mangione from photos or video. Prosecutors reject all of the defense's claims.
And the defense is renewing its request for Mangione to sit at the defense table unshackled, asking that at least one of his hands is free so that he may take notes. Now, this suppression hearing is expected to last days, if not possibly the entire week. Live from Lower Manhattan, Aziza Schuler, CBS News, New York.
Aziza, thank you.